All right, guys. So today is the big day. I received my famous luscious caramel cake from Mr. Carl Reno. So let's get into the unboxing and taste test. So first off, it was shipped FedEx, so I got it in about 2 days. And it was boxed very, very well. I'm very impressed with the way it was boxed. The dry ice kept the cake at the perfect temperature. Cake is double wrapped, which I like, and it did not mess up the integrity of the caramel. So that is a big plus for me. It looked exactly as it did in Mr. Reno's video once I received it and unpackaged it. And let me tell you, once you start taking that wrapping off, you can smell that luscious buttery caramel. It took everything I had not to just dig off into it right there. My, look at that. Just look at it. Mr. Reno's luscious caramel cake. So here's the big part that we've all been waiting for. Knife slid right in. I could tell it was soft, and I just had to get a nice little chunk for my taste test here. Oh, look at that. Look at it. Look at that. I swear, this is nothing short of perfection, guys. Now, the moment we've been waiting for, let's see what happens.
It's good.
Let's do it.